For the charter project, this workshop in the Veneranda Fabbrica del Duomo di Milano, it's particularly interesting. Duomo has some specificities, very exceptional cultural heritage, symbolic value, a very specific as well governance model. It's really a very commitment staff and group of people working, and so in a way this allows us to understand the kind of skill competences, the professional competences that we need now, but also it's useful to understand which kind of future competences. Just because this is a very long-term process, a long-term project, the possibility to face the technological changes, the social changes, the economic changes, but as well the value change that it has happening around our societies and how that affects the perception of value of the cultural heritage. So for us has been very, very interesting, this analysis and this very particular case. Of course, it's important also to see how these learnings could be useful for other less strong symbolic values, cultural heritage monuments, each one in different contexts, because it's not the same the Italian context or I don't know, the German or the Irish or the Greek context. So it's important to have this into account. But at the same time, there are several issues that are common, which is the connection between tradition and innovation, the connection between teamwork, very technical, but at the same time connected to audiences who have different perceptions of ownership, from the local people living around to mass tourism using these kind of icons as attractive touristic assets. So there is a lot of aspects, and we see that just when we analyze the different typologies of staff and skills needed in this very particular case.